morning students. Today I am going to discuss about the question answers of chapter 8 standard 6 SS. Standard 6 SS chapter 8 lecture 3. I am going to discuss about question answers. Okay. First question. In which method? In which method are there differences? In which method are there differences in the people of India? Okay, we are in India. We have many people are there. Okay, and here we find differences are there. So differences are in which field? In which field we have differences? Okay, in which matters are there differences in the people of India? Answer. Diversity. Diversity means difference. Diversity means difference in people of India is found. Difference in people of India is found. In which field? In religion. We have many religions in India. Okay, Hinduism, Muslimism, Sikhism, Parsism, Jainism, Buddhism, Christianity. Okay, many. So the diversity in people of India is found in religion, languages. Many languages are there. Many languages are there. Then food. Food also you will find diversity. Okay, even dress also. So diversity in people of India is found in religion, languages, food, dress, lifestyle, custom, celebration and festivals. Okay, many things are there. Once again, religion, language, food, dress, lifestyle, customs, celebration, festivals. Okay, here you will find diversities. So answer is diversity in people of India is found in religion, language, food, dress, lifestyle, custom, celebration and festivals. Got it? Next question. Which festivals are which festivals are celebrated by which festivals are celebrated by whole country akhu Bharat, whole country unitedly, though they are not related to any religion. Some festivals are there. Okay, some festivals are there. They are celebrated by whole country, but they are not belong to any religion. Okay, which are they? Yeah, the national festivals. The national festivals. Now, which are the national festivals? Yeah, 26 January, 15th August, and 2nd October. Okay, so 26 January, the Republic Day. 26 January, the Republic Day. 15th August, the Independence Day. 15th August, the Independence Day, and 2nd October. And 2nd October, that is called Gandhi Jayanti, are celebrated by whole country unitedly, though they are not related to any religion. Okay, I said in my video, I said when 15th August and 26th January during the flag hoisting time and flag unfurling time, we unitedly we join, we become one. Okay, we can show the oneness. Okay, and we salute, we respect our national flag. Okay, we sing Vande Mataram and Jana Gana Mana. By singing this anthem and the national song, we show our love towards our country. Okay, so 26 January, the Republic Day, 15 August, the Independence Day, and 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti, are celebrated by whole country unitedly, though they are not related to any religion. Okay. Third question. which is the main characteristic of Indian civilization. આપણા ભારતીય સંસ્કૃતિમાં ઓકે ભારતીય સંસ્કૃતિ મેઇન વસ્તુ શું છે ઓકે which is the main characteristics of our Indian civilization. My dear student, unity in diversity. Though we have difference in food, language, dress, custom, religion, everything, but still we are one. Okay, because we love our country. So, which is the main characteristic of Indian civilization? So, it is there. Unity in diversity. Though we are different, still we are one. Okay, we have unity. Okay, so that is why it is written unity in diversity is the main characteristic of Indian civilization. Okay, unity in diversity is the main characteristic of Indian civilization. Next question. What should we do? આપણે શું કરવાનું છે? What should we do to make India more prosperous? ભારતને વધારે મજબૂત કરવા માટે, રીચ કરવા માટે what we have to do? What should we do? આપણે શું કરવાનું છે? What should we do to make India more prosperous? Okay, what we have to do? We have to work unitedly. We have to work unitedly. Then if we work if we become one and if we work unitedly, automatically India becomes more prosperous. Okay, so what should we do to make India more prosperous? Answer is here. To make India more prosperous, all Indians should work unitedly. We have to work unitedly, then automatically India becomes more prosperous. Now, dear student, my next question is, which are our national symbols? Which are our national symbols? I have written here some answer. Okay, our national symbols are. Number one, we can consider national flag. National flag means tricolor flag. Okay, saffron, white, and green. Okay, tricolor flag is there now. So our national flag, tricolor flag. Second one is national song. Which is our national song? Vande Mataram. Okay, so national flag, tricolor. National song, Vande Mataram. National anthem, Jana Gana Mana. Which is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana. I said, okay, on that day I said, when it is sung, we have to stand straight. Okay, we should not move. Okay, in order to respect our national anthem, when it is sung, when you hear, you have to stand straight. Okay, no need to move. When we see the cricket match, and when national anthem is sung, Jana Gana Mana, you know, some people they are showing their hands. My dear student, it is not good at all. Okay, if you want to respect our national flag, if you want to respect India, when it is sung, we have to stand straight. We should not move. Okay, so national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. National flower, lotus. Lotus is our national flower. National bird, correct, peacock. Okay, peacock is our national bird. National animal, that is tiger. National game, that is hockey. National fruit means mango. Okay, national tree, that is banyan tree. My dear student, if you kill national bird peacock, or if you kill national animal tiger, it is a big crime. It's a big crime. Okay, a case can file on you. But if you cut our national fruit mango, is it a crime if you cut it? No idea. Okay, so we have to respect our national symbol. Here one thing is there that I have not written, but remember, national emblem. National emblem, the three-faced lion. Okay, that you will find on a government documents. Okay, on government documents you will find one seal is there, na? that is called national emblem. Okay, actually 4 lines are there, but at one time we can see only 3. That is why it is said 3-faced, but it is not 3-faced, it is 4-faced. All 4 sides lines are there. So got it? Tricolor flag, Vande Mataram, Janaganamana, lotus, peacock, tiger, hockey, mango, banyan tree, and a 3-faced lion. Actually not 3, 4. Okay, got it? That is called our national symbols. Got it? Now my next question is there. All the rivers are different, all the rivers are different, yet whom do they meet? Though the origin of the river is different, but at finally whom they meet? Yeah, correct, they meet the sea, sagar. Okay, though the rivers are different, they finally meet the sea. Okay, all the rivers. Okay, some rivers are there, they do not meet, they do not have end, but that is different. We are not discussing about those rivers which has no end. We are discussing about those rivers who are originating and at last they have end. They have end also. So when the rivers are originate, finally they meet the sea. Next time we will discuss more question answer. Thank you.